Mind your step. Come. That's right. Come on in. Up you come now. Ah, delighted to join you for a neighbourly drink. Aren't we, Mrs. P?
We certainly are.
What are they doing here?
That's right, my dear. Come round here. There. You sit here, OK? There we are. Nice and friendly, eh?
I've heard such a lot about you, Mr. N.
So, all getting along splendidly, eh? Oh, may I?
No, you can't.
Quiet!
You're letting him drink all our whiskey.
If you're not quiet, I'll stick you on the flagpole forever!
Uh-oh.
Ah, a toast. Ah. Oh, allow me. I said to myself, first I want to...
Absolutely, dear boy.
Allow me to congratulate you on keeping your lower animals in order.
Thank
You're
you.
an example to all farmers. I mean, well, let's face it. No animal suffered from working a little harder or eating a little less, did they? The present company excluded, of course. Another toast. To Animal Farm.
No, not Animal Farm. I have decided we should revert to our proper name of Manor Farm.
Oh. To Manor Farm, then. And our continued prosperity.
Absolutely, dear boy.
I can't tell the difference between them. Read it to me.
All animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others.
More equal than others? Come on. We should leave while we still can. I'll get the others.
Now we go to our leader's house, where earlier today a spontaneous demonstration took place. A grateful duck has written a new song for our beloved leader. And she's here joined by the chorus of the Animal Guard.